before we get in the cab, we want to make sure that we're sitting comfortably. First thing we want to do is lower the seat to enable us to get in a lot easier. We get back again, obviously then press it back and then it returns it to the height it was. Going through the controls, if it's fitted, this is for the heated seats, then you can be adjusted, raised or lowered by this control here, and then at the back we've got the backrest control as well. Finally, the armrest here can be adjusted by the control under here, and that's it for this side of the seat. Now, forward and backwards of the chair is controlled by this bar at my feet. Massage function, if it's fitted, is this button here, and then finally lumbar adjustment by these 4 buttons here. Put the armrest down and that ensures you get the perfect driving position. Now all we have to do is adjust the steering wheel. We do this by looking to the top left hand corner of the footwell. There's a button there, we press that down and then that allows us to adjust the steering wheel for rake and for reach. Once we've found the perfect position, we release the button and that locks it.